always I get impressed. Every time I come, it's amazing. It's very impressive using the technology and the AI. This is what we always, that's why we love coming to China and Chongqing, because we always get impressed with the technology.
It's not my first time in Chongqing, but right now it's a different experience because it's Chongqing with CHANGAN. We saw the car also in light, and it's really, really nice.
It's a beautiful city, full with life, full with excitement. Also, I love Chongqing. It's the first time I see it. It's amazing, excellent.
Actually, it's a very nice city with a very positive vibe. It's amazing, something magnificent.